Jayesh Mehta, Country Treasurer at Bank of America Merrill Lynch, joins in to talk about which way the currency is going to head from here. Jayesh, 57 already on the rupee. Do you see more weakness in the near term?
Yeah, at least we expect some relief coming today. But yes, we will be living with volatility at least for next couple of months. Because what's happening in US and the impact of that on the emerging market flows. So that would, we will have volatility as people adjust their position.
But Jayesh, I mean, is 60 a level which is ruled out? And do you think we will now bounce back from 57 levels?
I think unless something changes, fundamentally in India, or there is a clear-cut view on U.S. quantitative easing, which does not seem to be, nobody will know the actual action till December. And I would say, for the moment, looks like it's ruled out, but it's not completely ruled out because we are just seeing the position unwinding in the emerging market, deleveraging happening in the emerging market, and that's impacting the flows also in India. And that's also is having also one, yes, till maybe one can say till yesterday, day before, or maybe till last 10 days, it was more of dollar strengthening story. I think that's, if you look at the current market yesterday, it didn't really strengthen much globally. But against Asia, it's still flat. So we will be in the volatile times. I think, the initial unwinding which has happened, it is happened in the most liquid space. So people have unwinded some, but then there is a huge basis risk when you unwind that kind of situation. So till people bring back to their comfortable level, right? And that would be at least next 1 month or so, we would see that. The positive side is most of our oil demand and other things normally is taken care by May. So at least from the importer demand, we won't see much of a pressure. And again, right now is the trigger point is you need some seller to come in, and that would at least temporarily hold the sliding of the rupee.
Just the fact that rupee has gone down by about 5.5% from 2nd of May, how much of the current weakness you would attribute to only technical factors? Because fundamentally, things are not looking all that bad like you pointed out.
No, that's true. But if you really look at it, there were heavy positions. It's not only, one is positions onshore. There is a huge NDF market, which also has positions. And that I think people were actually looking at 53, 56 range, and that at 56 it actually came back thrice after 56. But when it pierced 56, to move to 57 was much faster, and that's where we see some pain there. But I think at this juncture, people are waiting and watching where it stabilizes. So I would say in last 10, 15 days, not enough sellers have come in, and they are just waiting. There were some exporters who really sold at around 56 levels, but then at 57, they're just waiting for some stabilization happening.